Hey guys, what's up? And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a custom enemy in Roblox. So yeah, we're going to be making a rig, animating it, and making it go towards you and hurt you if it hits you. So yeah. So first, we're going to start by making the thing that's going to get us. So I guess we just got to think of what to make. So, what do we do? Maybe dog or something? I don't know. Mess with whatever. We could just make it like very small for now, and then just work with it later. So yeah, we'll just do that. So this is called a levitating dog. And then we'll just do this. And we will name it root part humanoid root part. Okay. So we have that. So that's pretty hard. So we just gotta rename this head. And then rename this. So cool. So yay. Now we just group it as a model. Rename it whatever. I'll name it enemy. And then change the root part to root part, and then we have to go to the what is it called? We have to insert humanoid. Cool. So now we rig it. This is very, very, very easy. So we're doing R6 because we don't have a upper root part or upper torso and lower torso. We just have torso. If you had like multiple parts like my other video, then you would use R15. And we're gonna have this thing levitate, so we can change the hip height to like 5. It's gonna be really high though, but we're gonna have to mess with it anyway. Now we just go into this rig edit thingy. Okay, maybe. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we have to humanoid root part to torso, great joint, yeah, and then torso to head. Cool. Next, we can mess with the joints so that way it looks normal-ish. There. That was hard, wasn't it? So that should be done. Woo. So if we put this in starter player, rename it to starter character, almost character, and we start the game. Should work. Yep. What a surprise. Okay. But it's also at a different angle, which is easy to do. Let's take this out. And it was facing what direction? That way. So I think it's humanoid root part, yeah. And then we just rotate it this, and then scale it. If you do control on your keyboard, it does both sides at once. Let's try that again. Oh yeah, we have to re-rig it now. Get that, but it doesn't matter. It takes like 2 seconds. So rig, humanoid root part, torso. Create joint, done. Now we play the game. Should have that. Cool. Now we're a dog thingy, and we're pretty high. We're kind of too high. So you just go into workspace, go hip height, and then adjust it as needed, depending on what you want it to do. Probably 1. Yeah, 1's fine. Maybe 1.5. There we go. Okay. Now we just gotta go in the game and 5. 1.5. Cool. Now we can put this in replicated storage and rename it again. Okay, so we have that. We can actually do animations before we do that. It's pretty simple animation. Let's just do like a, you know, like if you're walking it sideways. So the way we could do that is just go to this thing, click editor, click create. It's on my other screen. Yes, I know. Woo, the hardest edit I've ever seen. Okay. Take this, rotate, take it again. Actually, wait, we were supposed to. Oh, wait, yeah, it's a walk. Whoa, what is that? That a duplicate part. What is that? Oh, that's humanoid root part. I think, is it torso to humanoid root part or humanoid root part to torso? I think it's the other way. Here, let me re-rig it really fast. I think I did it. Okay, guys, so I had it right the first time. I just didn't make the humanoid root part invisible. Big brain. This dude is like lopsided, and I don't know if I'm fixing it because I don't really care. But let's do the animation really quick. So I want this again. Woo, play it. Okay. And we just copy. Let's see that one. This one again. Cool. So let me just make it 1 instead of 2. And looping. Cool. So this is the thing walking. Yay. So if you actually had like a good animation, unlike me, and you actually wanted to make it look cool, then you could sit here for 15 years trying to get it to work. But I don't need it to look that cool. I just need it to, you know, do what it's supposed to do. So yeah. So now what you do is you go here, export, and then you name it something like test or whatever you want to name it. Copy this code. Woo, you can exit the animation editor. You can remove the animation saves. And then you go in humanoid, insert a animation, and the ID in, which is that code. Remove the 0 because you sometimes get zeros if it's redirect. I don't know if you have to. I just do it anyway. But yeah, we have that. Cool. So now we just need to make a script that makes sure that this guy walks towards the player. So how we do that? Insert a script. That's pretty much the video. As you can see, they're killing me. They're animated and they're spawning, which is cool. Hey guys, hope you guys liked the video. Please like and comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next one. See ya.